Hi friends, Miss Kayla here. Today we're going to read another question from our big book of why. So the question we're going to ask today is, why is a beach made of sand? So why do you think a beach is made of sand? Let's find out. Sand is plants, rocks, minerals, and seashells worn down to bits by wind and water. A grain of sand on the beach might have been a rock stepped on by a dinosaur. It takes a long time for nature to make sand. Wow, so the sand at the beach are just little tiny pieces from something else, like a rock or a shell. So that's pretty interesting. Most sand comes from land brought to the beach by rivers, streams, rain, and wind. Pretty cool. The shells you find on a beach are from soft body animals. They grow the shells to protect themselves. So let's see here. And this says, look closely at a handful of sand. Can you see rocks and shells? So the next time you're at the beach, I want you to pick up a handful of sand and look super close at it to see what you think. And there's also a little science experiment that you can do along with the sand. So the science experiment that you can do is pour some vinegar on sand from the ocean. It will bubble if there are grains of seashells mixed in. Experiment with sand from a stream and see if it does the same thing, because sand from a stream may not have seashells in it. So I want you to, the next time you're around any sand, gather up some sand and take it back home with you in a Ziploc baggie, pour a little bit of vinegar on it, and I want you to see if the sand bubbles. If the sand bubbles, it is made of seashells. That's pretty cool, right? So there are some black sand, and the black sands are in beaches on Hawaii, and black sand is made from what? What do you think the black sand's made from? Lava. So that's a really cool fact. Black sand is made from lava. So I hope that answers our question of why are beaches made of sand? That's because of the rocks and the seashells they get crushed up into little tiny particles, and it makes sand. So the next time you're playing with sand, just think it's rocks and seashells. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. We'll talk soon. Bye.